There, get that in frame. So here's the EM2. I filled it with fuel and checked the spark. I haven't run it since the last time it was on video. I'm pretty sure I left the needle where it was running, and I have not touched the needle to check that, so we'll see if it starts. Get a little bit of fuel primed in there. Alright. There we go. It does want to start. Go. Oh. There we go. Well, now we know the fuel I have is good, because that's the same fuel I was using in the other engine. And the EM2, after sitting all that time on my shelf, started right up. So all the adjusting and fixing up I did on it when I first got it to get it really tuned up seems to have worked fine.